Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer templates from Templately to Webflow step by step clearly. Open your Webflow account and navigate to your dashboard. In a new tab, log in to your Templately account. Browse through your available templates in Templately. Choose the template you wish to transfer to Webflow. Click on the template to open its details. Locate the download or export option within Templately. Select the option to export the template in a compatible format. Save the exported file to your computer. Return to your Webflow dashboard. Click on the New Project button to create a new project. Choose the Start from Scratch option or select a base template. Once inside the project, click on the Assets panel located in the left sidebar. Upload the exported files you saved from Templately into the Assets panel. After uploading, go to the Pages panel in the left sidebar. Create new pages that correspond to those in your Templately template. To replicate the layout, start dragging and dropping elements from the Assets panel. Use Webflow's design tools to customize and style each element as needed. Ensure that all links and interactions from the Templately template are correctly set. Preview your project to check for any layout issues. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure a seamless design. Once satisfied with your design, publish your Webflow project. Your template from Templately is now successfully transferred to Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.